art friends. We're going to be drawing Rick and Morty. He's got my style here. Okay. Sketch this out a little bit. Okay. I think this is kind of all about the eyeballs here. They got big eyeballs. All right. So here we go. You're going to stay with your pencil and I'm going to do marker. But you stay with your pencil so you can move it if you're not happy. Circle, dot, dot. Easy enough. Curvy line. Curvy line. Curvy line that comes back around like that. And we got another line coming back for his face. It comes down like a C. Comes around like a C. Comes back up. And right in there. And then we got zigzag. Oh, we forgot his ear. Right there. Right there. These proportions are crazy. Definitely cartoony. There we go. And then for his mouth, follows that around. There we go. He's got a little drool. Got tooth, 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 tooth. Then we've got the shoulder coming out here, coming down. Then it comes up. Curvy line down. Then it comes up, up, and in. Coming down for his coat. Down, down. And this is the edge of his jacket. Then the other side of his jacket comes up, across, and we've got a little, there's his jacket. There we go. Just like that. And then we've got lines under his eyes and a little hook for a nose. All right, then we're gonna draw his hands. So his hands are gonna come down, back up the line, and it's gonna come down, curve around, it's gonna come down, up, it's gonna come down and up. There's the top of his hand that's gonna come around. We got knuckle, 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 knuckle. And we got the jacket sleeve. And then jacket's coming up, and back down, like that. Okay, then underneath there, got the little guy's head. It's gonna come around, go behind there, and then come back around, down. He's got an ear. All right, let's put his eyeballs in. So first, he's getting his eyeballs held up. So let's make some big arches like that. And then inside of those arches are the circles. Like that, dot, dot. Then we got the bottoms being pulled down. And so we've got another hand. Here's the finger, thumb, and it comes back up. And then there's a really long pinky, like so. Bump, bump, like that. No knuckles this time. Then we're gonna have the face come around. Hook nose. He's not happy. Sad face. And then it's gonna come around like that with a little ear here. And we got a line coming down, a line coming down. There we go. Oh, all right. What'd we forget? Oh yeah, his sleeve. There we go. Okay, and there you have it, Art Maniacs. Rick and Morty. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.